how to change your birthday on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook, and first thing let's go back, and now click these three lines and go down until you find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, profile information, and then go down until you find basic info. Click edit, and here you can find your birthday. Just click on it and change it, and just go back and it will be saved. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.